Assalamualaikum. Finally, Alhira's Akilgada is thus far. Salona, chicken salona, Vijisar, kusa, and butat. Butat means patatas, and the shad is chicken. Pianak yarker is pipino. Bell pepper is pilipil barid, and pibantum is garlic. Then ginger, then bagdones. Parsley is bagdones. Ginger, and pianay yogurt. Bye, nakil. Anjawan. Inshallah. Salona, ana salona sawi. See? These are. These are nice carrots.